Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to do an updated video on how I make my custom t-shirts for my clothing business. If you guys do not know, I do have a clothing business where I do custom t-shirt designs and sell them on my website. So I haven't done a video like this in a while. I think the last one I did was I showed you guys how I do the custom designs on my sweatshirts. So because it's spring going into summer, I pushed out a few of my summer t-shirts back out on my site. So I got a couple of orders that came in. So within the video, you'll see exactly what I do on how to make my custom t-shirts with my Cricut machine and my Cricut Easy Press. And then you'll also see how I process and package as well as ship 2 big clothing orders as well. So for the first order that I will be showing you, one of my customers, she ordered 5 queen t-shirts in different colors as well as different design colors as well. So you guys will see that. And then she also ordered a few of my relaxed jogger pants, which is still available on my site. I do have a few more in stock, and she ordered about 2 of them. So you guys will see how I go ahead and process and package up the first order. So as you guys can see, the queen t-shirts, I'm just going ahead and cutting out each one of the designs on the different color vinyl. The first one is the dark pink color. The next one will be a maroon color. And then the other 3 shirts will be in a mustard yellow color.
One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah, the sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. No. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard. On the low, bounce around 2 different jobs. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here. But you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down in your bed at night. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. No one should judge. No one should. Girl, I gotta tell you, you the best from time. I just had to get that off my chest. Hope you don't mind, no. I mean, who am I to judge you? Take your time, girl. I mean, who am I to rush you? Baby, fall in love with you. Oh. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh.
So the next thing that I have to do is go ahead and print the designs on the t-shirts. I am using my Cricut Easy Press. I try to measure out everything to make sure everything is lined up and centered. So you guys will see that in the video.
They know the girl out here got my heart. Baby, don't ask, you ain't gotta ask me, no. Cause I ain't afraid to say I love you. Yeah, I ain't afraid to tell the world I love you. I ain't afraid to tell my boys I love you. Girl, you make it so so easy to love you, baby, and I just wanna make it last forever. So make it last all day, yeah. Cause girl, it made me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day, like, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Oh, baby, I need you. Girl, you're my angel. I know you probably had enough of me, yeah, I know. But I just can't get enough of you. Cause you're so perfect, girl. I'm your student, I'm still learning, girl. You already won the race, and they still running, girl. I want this for the rest of our lives. So make it last someday, yeah. Cause girl, it made me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day, like, yeah. Forever all day, like, yeah. Forever all day.
So I'm done going ahead and printing all of the designs on the t-shirts. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and move on to the relaxed joggers. With the relaxed joggers, I don't do too much. What I do is I do add my logo label inside of the jogger pants. And then I do add a logo tag onto each one of the joggers. Now, like I said, within the first order, she ordered 5 custom t-shirts, and then she also ordered 2 jogger pants. And then the second order that I will be showing you, the customer ordered, I believe, 6 relaxed joggers in different colors. So you guys will see how I tag these jogger pants within the video. And then the next thing that you'll see is me packaging up their orders.
I ain't afraid to say I love you. Yeah, I ain't afraid to tell the world I love you. I ain't afraid to tell my boys I love you. Girl, you make it so easy. Make it so easy to love you, baby, and I just wanna make it last forever. So make it last someday, yeah. Cause girl, it made me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day, like, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Oh, baby, I need you. Girl, you're my angel. I know you probably had enough of me, yeah, I know. But I just can't get enough of you. Cause you're so perfect, girl. I'm your student, I'm still learning, girl. You already won the race, and they still running, girl. I want this for the rest of our lives. So make it last someday, yeah. Cause girl, it made me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day, like, yeah. Forever all day, like, yeah. Forever all day, like, yeah. Forever all day, like, oh.
Love is the music that keeps us dancing. Love is the music that keeps us dancing. Love is the music that keeps us dancing. Keeps us dancing.
Come and sing it like, ooh.
Love keeps us dancing. Let me sing it like, ooh.
Yeah. So make it last someday, yeah. Cause girl, it made me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day, like, yeah. Forever all day, like, all day, forever all day, yeah. Forever all day, forever all day, yeah. Forever all day, forever all day, yeah. Let's dance forever, baby.
Let me see dance, let me dance forever like this. Let me see dance, let me dance forever like this. Let me see dance, let me dance forever like this. Forever like this, forever like this.
One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah. The sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, body. I ain't tryna tell you how to live it.